or professionals or future professionals, or simply people who are eager to learn more and to practice your English language skill, you are definitely in the right place. To tell you a bit more about the way we work, because this is a special session, we have rituals. So you will see as we go along, we are shaking hands. It's like you are giving the, I don't know how to say it in English, to the next person. And we're also clapping, because it's a way to encourage each other. It's not a sect, it has nothing to do with any political orientation or whatsoever. But it's super efficient from a practice standpoint, as Natalie said, and also as we're all, eager, even though we may not look like, and freaking a little bit when we are where I am this evening. It's also a super way to grow your self-confidence. If you want to try out a topic or a specific presentation that you have to do, this is really a golden place where you can rehearse, you can practice, you get feedback from people in the room. Nobody's judging each other because we're all going to be in those different shoes sometimes. So we fully understand what you're coming across and going through. And we are progressing. And this is really the reward of the whole thing when you are a member of this club, is to see yourself and others progressing as you go along from one speech to another. Among the rituals we also have different roles. So you are going to work out different skills, not just public speaking skills, but also structuring your content. You can choose whatever topic you want. If you are passionate about a given sport, about a country, you are looking for information about a given topic, feel free to tap on those resources. We are very interested to hear from you because we keep learning from each other with each session. There is no single session the same as the other one. The structure is similar. We have a solid structure, but the content can really be different from one session to another because the people are different at each time. It's not like you follow a curriculum. Like if you miss a session, you're down to get back to two others. No, you come whenever you have the time. We understand you're studying, you might be working, you have other occupations. You're welcome anytime, but try to come regularly so you can really work on that practice and help yourself progressing. Among the roles we have sometimes someone who is a timekeeper, because another challenge is time management. To be as concise as possible, to give your message in a reasonable amount of time. And trust me, this is a challenge by itself. So structure, conciseness, to the point, and also fun. Practicing different roles of public speaking. We are fully international, so we are welcoming French people, but also English natives. Bob is American. We have British and people who are coming from China, Argentina, anywhere else, Poland, Iceland, Germany. How many different citizenships we have in the room? Mexico. China. Algeria. This is fantastic. Ivory Coast. Spain. Benin. So this is typical of any of our sessions. We are welcoming the world and we share this common thing, which is this growth mindset, I would say, because we want to improve, we want to progress, and it all happens in English. This being said, I'm going to start the exercise. Thank you for your attention. So, it's something we do on every session, and it's called table topics. So you don't have anything to prepare. It's improvisation. You can share your own experience, something you've been through, but you can also invent. It's also where you become the child you once were and be creative. So I think we have winners. We have special tickets. So if you can stand up and look under your seat. A few of you
have the lucky one.
Have the lucky ticket. We are all winners in this game, but some others have a special gift from us.
Please.
We have
It's this one. For now, it's this one. Yay! for the
ticket for
second
me.
game.
We have other games.
Lucky you.
Okay, so to start with, I may take someone a little bit experienced. Sylvia, would you like to come?
Just to give you an example.
Just to give you an example.
Sylvia.
So with each session, we have a special theme. And for this special night, we thought that introducing you to our Toastmaster allies would be a good one. So it's about aviation, experiences we may have with traveling by plane. And the question I would have for you, Sylvia, you take part to a contest and win one ticket from your English Toastmaster allies to go anywhere you want in the world. Could you please tell us where you would like to go and why?
Well,